I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your device model and Android version so you know which UI options appear. Back up any display-critical settings and note current font size and screen scaling as a reference. Then open Settings and go straight to Display. If you can't find it, use the search bar to jump there. Once there, make sure you have developer access or an alternate settings app ready, because the next steps require changing scaling or resolution parameters. Now you'll change the actual resolution and scaling. First, try display screen resolution or advanced display size and test presets. This is the safest path. If you need finer control, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then open developer options and adjust smallest width, DP, to increase or decrease UI density. Make small increments, apply, and then reboot to let changes settle. This method changes how many CSS pixels the system. Finish by rebooting and testing multiple apps to ensure icons, keyboard, and camera preview display correctly. If something appears clipped or apps misbehave, immediately revert to the original smallest width or reset display settings to default. That quickly restores usability. If the UI becomes inaccessible, boot into safe mode or use a DB from a computer, a DB shell WM density, or a DB shell WM size to set a working resolution. Make sure to document your working values so you can repeat the process safely in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.